Hi guys, and welcome back to Amy's Art Table. I'm here today with some color mixing and blending to make roses. I thought I would share this really fun technique and see what we can come up with together. Go ahead and grab your watercolor supplies and a comfy seat and we'll get started. All right guys, so the technique that I'd like to share with you today is really about blending different colors while coming up with a floral pattern. So I'm going to just go ahead and think of a color scheme that I want to use. Any of these color schemes would be good. Here I'm using reds, greens, and yellows. And then here I've got more of a purple theme going on. And again, purple and red and green here. So whatever color scheme you'd like to use, go ahead and grab that and we'll get started with some blending. I think for this video, I'm going to stay in this color range. This was a really fun one to do too. So if you want to do a brighter color blending rose, then you could go with this color scheme. All right, so what I'll start out with is probably a purple. I've been really enjoying learning how to do these kind of floral patterns. So I've done a few different paintings this way, and I thought I would share it. I'm going to start by grabbing a purple. There's really no right way to do this color blending, as you'll see once we get into it. You're just going to want to have a few colors at your disposal. So I will start with a purple. And I'm just going to start making a rose shape in purple. And then, so I've got some petals that I'm starting. And while that is still wet, I'll go ahead and start some other colors. I'll get a maroon going, and maybe a pink, maybe some red. I like this reddish orange over here. And then another nice complementary color is a golden brown yellow color. So go ahead and start a few of those. Now this is going to be a very abstract and loose painting. So the idea is to keep moving and keep adding color. All right, so I've got this rose going. So I'm adding a bit more purple to that. And then at the same time, maybe I'll get a leaf pattern going on this side. The little stem. Now you can plan your composition ahead of time. I'm just going to do this one on the fly, just going for it to show you guys my blending techniques. Okay. So as I start to get some different elements on the page, this painting will start to come to life. Using a lot of water with this watercolor. And the reason is because as I add different colors, go ahead and drop in some red here. It will blend nicely with the color I've already got going with the purple. Okay. So this is a real relaxing way of painting. I'm just going to slowly start adding different elements and different colors. So I'll have you follow along while I'm doing that. See what kind of composition we can come up with. Maybe we add some smaller leaf elements and stems. And then similarly, maybe a nice golden tone. I can't exactly recreate this painting or any of the paintings I've shown you that I've already done, but I can show you how I did it. So I love just how that is blending together like that. And then maybe I'll make another larger flower. Yeah, I'll get that going right about here. And then same thing, go ahead and add some color blending into it. I'm sort of using the shape of roses here, but you could also use different shaped flowers with long petals, short petals, small flowers. I mean, the combinations are really endless. But I just thought it would be fun to share this with you. So I'm going to go ahead and just go along painting now with a little bit of music. And I hope that you can enjoy this and you can come up with something that you really like as well. All right, guys, I'm actually feeling like this little blended rose is just about done. So I think I have time to show you another composition. So we'll try a couple different other colors. I'm not going to talk through the whole thing because I've already basically given you the same instructions. And this is how I created all of these roses. But yeah, we're just going to really experiment with different colors and mixing and blending, and I'm just going to see what I come up with, and I really hope that you'll give this a go at home as well. So set this one to the side. I also do tilt and shake my picture just a bit if I feel like it's all puddling up at one side. You could use some tape to keep your paper in place as well, of course. And I will just go ahead and show you one more here, the different color scheme. Right. All right, everyone, and that's it for today. I hope that you had a great time watching these blended flowers come together and that you can go ahead and give this technique a try at home. And yeah, I hope you have a great week.